Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the Canvas Student app to make video and audio posts to a discussion. So first of all, go to Discussions and select your discussion forum. The next thing you need to do is to go to the red reply button, and when you're ready to make the video or audio post or attach an image or upload a document, you would go to the paperclip in the upper right, and you see a list. You can record audio and so on. I'm going to record audio, and I press record. I'm going to record right now, and then press stop. You can delete it, or you can attach it. So I'm going to attach it, and you'll see there's a 1 on top of the paperclip in the upper right. You can add a message, a text message, and you can use the toolbar in the middle to create different effects of such as bold or italicize your letters. You can change the color of your text, and you can make things in lists. You can add links. You can undo by pressing the back arrow, or redo by pressing the forward arrow. You can add links. Okay. And then you would press send. Now, you can only attach one piece of media at a time to your posts using the Canvas Student app. So I'm going to send this, and this is an audio file I sent. Now, supposing I wanted to send a video response as well as to my audio, so I would have to go back and make a new reply. And I would say, this is my video. Then I would click on the paperclip. I would use the camera. I would record my photo. You can what you would do is you would move the selector to video, and then you would record. So I'm going to record. Hello, this is my video response, and then press stop, and then you would press use video. Now you can send it, and now you have attached you have created 2 different posts with 2 different forms of media attached to them. You can also attach a photo from your photo library, or a video if you have a video recorded in your library. And you can delete it, supposing you didn't want to attach that. If you decided instead you wanted to upload a file, you can upload a file from your either your iCloud or your hard drive, depending on which location you want to choose. My iPhone or my cloud drive, either one will drive, and then you would select the image you want attached from that upload. I'm going to go back in and delete it, and I'm going to cancel this particular post. Now, you will see your posts down at the bottom, and you'll see an attachment, which is the video that I just recorded. If you see images in the forum or videos in the forum, that means the person has used their laptop to post in the forum. If you see attachments or paper clips, that means the person has used a mobile device to post in the forum. And you can reply, and you can view, but you cannot attach media to a reply You can view the media. Let's see, wait a minute. You can attach media to a reply to a reply, because the red paperclip is what indicates what you can do. The grayed out paperclip allows you to view what the person has posted and what you are responding to. So that sums up discussions in Canvas, the Canvas student app. Thanks for watching.